Pitugo. Esbreda. Meliti Pitugo. Binigay Akyatan. Barangkada. Subalit Jakamera foul. First number 17. Pitugo. First personal foul. 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Ito, wala. Super kay Matchang, tumapak, tulik. Ibinigay kay Matchang, nakakuha ng 2 points. Akyatan. Akyatan, nag-isip back, 2 points. Put the picture on. Matchang. Turbo 17 to Papa. Turbo is a place. 3 points by Papa. It's Breda. Volunteer from Machas to Pitugo. Pass. Sudira Sarali, wala. Nakagawa ng traveling violation. Jersey number 20, Pitugo. Traveling violation. Pitugo. Mengaras Akyatan. Ibinigay kay Papa. Ibinigay wala. Nagawin jersey number 20, Pitugo. Akyatan. Atake. 2 points. Pachao, hinaharap si Pitugo. Machas again. Foul, jersey number 17, Pitugo. Set position. Violet. Patak. Marasay. 7 minutes and 51 seconds. Remaining time. Basket. Makasay. Basket. Ball shot. Jersey number 7. First personal foul. Second foul. 13 foul. One shot by Makasay. Wala. Akyatan, Aragada, 2 points. Pitugo, atake. Pachas. Nilabas sa bola, nilagay Makasay, Pitugo. Makasay, nakakuha ng foul, jersey number 7. Second personal foul. Maroon, warning for penalty. Matiyak. Makasay. Pitugo. Machas. Dawalang bola. Akyatan. 2 points. Machas. Tingnan natin. 2 points by Akyatan. Deadlock or 25. Makasay. Wala tira. Akyatan. 2 points. Time out. Violet. score, 27-25. 2.3 by Baron. Lamang na ng Baron ng dalawa. 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Nagkakaroon